Greetings, one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm at the park again today. It is October. Forgot to look again. It's the 16th. To give you an idea when I film. Weather forecast said rain, even though it's not raining. I'm hoping the skies open up and starts dumping because I want to try the Country River Products poncho, and I haven't had a chance to do that yet. So we're going to do Canteen cup cooking, which I haven't done in, man, a long time. Seems like forever, but let me turn the camera down. I'll show you what hardware I brought, and then we'll go over food, and we'll start cooking. Alright, I'll run over the hardware. I've got extra virgin olive oil, pair of tongs, small 6-inch pizza pan, spork, lid, fire kit, Pathfinder Canteen, gas fire stove, which I'm going to put the Trangia in, fuel, and just some water because I'm going to do a cup of mocha. The stove is going to be sitting on the pan, so I don't have to worry about the heat transferring through to the table and burning it. Alright, so for food we have pork and beans, Texas Pete, hot chocolate, coffee. There's some paper towels I threw in a zip top bag because I just realized I forgot to bring a bandana. And then the meat is going to be these Kroger beef and pork meatballs. So they're already pre-cooked. They just I just got to heat them up. So it's kind of what they look like. I love meatballs. So good. Oh man. Should have brought my little steamer rack with me. So naturally, because I forgot to bring a bandana, the flames just have to come out towards the handle because it's friendly like that. Good times. So I went ahead and opened the can off camera, and I opened the meatballs off camera. I'm just waiting for my water, and then like basically as soon as the water is done, I'm gonna throw the meatballs right in. I think I'm gonna do 2 half batches just so I don't overload the Canteen cup. There's my almost there. Nope, still. Olive oil. Get these meatballs in here. There we go. Yeah, I cut these in a package, but some of them didn't all get didn't get cut. I mean, they're already cooked. I'm really just heating them up, so. I guess I could just pour the beans in with it and heat them up together so there's a sauce in there. I don't want them to burn either. Oh, come on. About half, give or take. I probably did actually have more room in there, but I want to push my luck. Well, my stove seems to have run out of fuel, so go ahead and make the meal complete. Probably going to cook the other bit here when this cools down enough. For that, I want to pour fuel on a hot stove, have it flare up on me, and man, I love meatballs. It's actually not a bad combo. I wouldn't say they were hot, but they're an adequate temperature. My camera tilted. What I'll probably do is I'll finish this, give this a chance to cool down, and then I'll add more fuel, and then fire it back up again and cook the rest. I think I got more sauce than beans in the first go, so I added a little bit of water to this, so my apologies if there's wind noise. There's really nothing I can do about the wind noise because it's a windy day, so I wish it would stop. And I wish it would rain so I could try my poncho. Alright, try to give you a little close-up. There we go, that's kind of what it looks like. Didn't add any seasoning, no salt, no pepper, no Mrs. Dash, just straight out of the can, straight out of the package. Alrighty, I think we're about done with batch number 2. So we got ourselves a purdy boil. I actually put the simmer ring back on because it was starting to boil a bit, so I was sitting here thinking about other videos I'm going to be doing here in the future. I actually just took notes on, well, I have 4 MREs in the car, which I just bought, so that's 4 videos. And then I wrote down 2 ideas today. So it's supposed to rain my next 2 days off, and so I might do 2 in one day. Because one of them's they're both gonna be out of the budget series. That should be hopefully not suck. But that's got a nice boil to it. It might be ready because it's been boiling, so I'm just gonna go ahead and call it, I think. You know what would have been really good in there? Some bacon bits. Would have been excellent. Let's get this off. I can't believe I forgot a bandana. What a rookie move. Kick my own ass sometimes. Like, what are you doing, Mark? You moron. Let's see. And I don't have any way to snuff that because my simmer ring is too damn hot. And this has a seal in it. I'm not going to be able to blow that out by mouth. I wonder if I could do this. Nope. These pesky simmer rings are always... Oh, there we go. I just had to say something on video and then it worked. Oh, come on. Wow. Oh, there we go. It was out. Cool. Let that cool down. And there we go. Now, of course, I'll add just a drop. Yeah, I guess I'm eating the same thing again, but it's it came out a little bit better on the second batch. We'll do a couple bites at least. This time around I made sure that all the meatballs were cut all the way through. Nice even heating. Yeah, that's good. I should have brought some pepper. Oh, I had black pepper in the car. I always carry black pepper in the car. Might be a bit much, but... And grind your own pepper. Highly recommend. You can get these at Trader Joe's. They're like $2.39 or something. Under $3. They got a grinder built in. If you have a Trader Joe's near you. If I can open it. It's got a grinder built in. Just don't hold it over a hot, steamy pot, because it will melt the inside. Oh yeah. That's the stuff right there. Alrighty. I will say with a single word, delicious. That was good. A little shaky on the first batch, but it really came together on the second one. As always, I appreciate you watching. I'm going to have more cooking videos coming up soon. So, I will catch you on the next one. Have a good one.